In this clip, we're going to teach you how to maintain your tires to help protect your investment in the rubber that's actually on your vehicle. Most people don't realize this, but tires are a petroleum product, and the prices for them do vary with the oil market. So the higher the oil prices are, the more you're really going to pay for your tires. So I'm going to teach you how to really keep an eye on what's going on with your tires and do proper maintenance to them. First and foremost, the easiest thing you can do once a month, check your tire pressures. Go to your local hardware store, go to your local automotive store, pick yourself up a tire pressure gauge. All you got to do is take the valve stem cap off, stick it on, read the numbers on the side. Most tires are rated in PSI. In this case, we're running about 32 pounds per square inch, and that's what's rated for this vehicle. So the tire pressure on this car is just as it should be. Second thing, while you're down here checking your tire pressures, you want to just take a good look at the tread. Are you running too low on one block than you are on the other block? Is it worn more on the outside, or is it worn more on the inside, or is it worn more on the center? If you see any sort of irregular wear from one side to the other, that's indicative usually to an alignment or balance issue, and you're going to want to go see your local mechanic. Get your vehicle aligned to make sure that your tires are contacting the road as they should be to help prevent them from wearing out prematurely. Last but not least, you want to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles depending on your oil change schedule. Rotating your tires, most manufacturers recommend you actually take the front tires and cross them to the back. So you want to take your right front tire, put it on the left rear. Take your left front tire, put it on the right rear. Take the rear tires and move them directly to the front. The reason why you're moving them is because the front tires actually take all of the turning force or turning action as you're moving down the road. And that causes wear on the edges just naturally. And there's not much you can do about that, which is why it's important to do proper rotation on schedule all the time, and that will help get the most mileage for the most money on your tires.